Wrapping your head around when to use the subjunctive can be a bit frustrating, but fortunately, the conjugations for the subjunctive mood in the present tense are pretty straightforward. Let's have a look. If you haven't already seen my video explaining what the subjunctive is, check it out here. The regular verb conjugations for the subjunctive are pretty straightforward. We follow 3 steps. 1. Conjugate the verb as you normally would in the present tense with il with an S. 2. Remove the ent. And 3. Add the appropriate endings for the subjunctive present. So you end up with j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, nous aimions, vous aimiez, ils aiment. Pretty similar to the normal present tense conjugations, or for choisir, we end up with je choisis, tu choisis, ils choisissent, nous choisissions, vous choisissiez, ils choisissent. If you want more 2-minute grammar videos, subscribe to my channel with the notifications turned on to stay updated on future videos. Now to the irregular conjugations. The verbs faire, pouvoir, and savoir have a specific verb stem rather than using the il form of the verb in the present tense like the regular verbs would. But otherwise, faire, which becomes fasse, pouvoir, which becomes puisse, and savoir, which becomes sache, use the same endings as the regular subjunctive verbs. Devoir, prendre, tenir, aller, and vouloir have a specific verb stem as well, doivent, prennent, tiennent, aillent, veuillent, and use the same endings. But the difference with these verbs is for nous and vous, they have a special form, which coincidentally looks like the imparfait. Kind of confusing, right? Finally, avoir and être, the most irregular verbs in French, have their own unique forms because why not? So these ones you'll have to remember on their own. We have je, tu, il, est, nous ayons, vous ayez, ils aient. Je, tu, il soit, nous soyons, vous soyez, ils soient. Wondering when and where to use the subjunctive mood in French? Check out my next video which explains all that.